Good morning, togglers, and welcome to yet another edition of the Daily Video Insight. My name is Jan Salaji. I'm one of the co-founders of Toggle, and if you like these videos and want to see more, please subscribe on YouTube or check us out on toggle.global, where you can get this and many more other insights. Today, we're going to take a look at a company that you've probably seen or at least come in contact with. It's called Martin Marietta, and they provide cement, asphalt, various aggregates for sidewalks, foundations, and so on. So the company's products are literally everywhere. What Toggle is highlighting in the pattern today, as you can see in the chart here, it's a bullish pattern, is that 15 days before the US presidential election, the stock has typically exhibited a positive upward bias from here and over the next couple of months. The number of scenarios that have been analyzed for this is 7, so it's a small but still not that small a sample, and the insight has received 8 out of 8 stars because the episodes have occurred in a variety of macro environments and they've been spaced in reasonably regular intervals. So it does appear that the pattern is reasonably robust. What Toggle is highlighting is that the projected rise over this period is up to about 300 and just a little bit above, so around 15% from here. And it would be invalidated if the stock price were to drop again outside of this confidence band, and certainly below 239 or so, or about 7% from the start. As you know, we always like to look at also a variety of other horizons just to see whether or not the path or the performance of the stock is going to be particularly volatile. And indeed, you can see that in the shorter term, the range definitely spans both negative as well as positive returns, and that the relationship seems to be best over the 2 to 3 month horizon. So much about the asset in the spotlight today in our daily brief, which again, you can sign up for on toggle.global. We also highlight the interesting statistics around presidential elections. In fact, we go into a little bit more detail about the positive performance that equities typically exhibit 2 weeks into the election, and about the drop that you subsequently often see in the week right after the election. However, there is a significant exception, and that, of course, was the 2016 election. Now, whether or not you expect that to be repeated or not, certainly that is not what the forecasters are telling us as far as the polls go. But if you do think that the outcome might be similar, then actually the stock performance is something to take very seriously, because a few sectors, financials and industrials in particular, had a terrific run immediately after the election outcome. Again, check us out in the daily brief. And so much for today. Thank you again for paying attention. And of course, we'll see you again the next day. Thanks very much.